Guys, so it's already been like a week or so. So we're gonna feed the birds. Here's the bird feed right here. Here is the bird feed right here.
You can watch it, I'll pour it, you can film it.
Yeah. There's the bird feed right here. Cutting the bag, cutting the bag. Yep. Oh. Wow. Hey, got some right here. Oh yeah, and by the way, they're supposed to go on the bottom so the birds can go right here and then eat them. One hour later.
Done.
All right, finally we got it on. All right, let's go, Pa. The ant pile is still there. Gotta hook it on right there. Boom. All right. Little video of, well, random video of feeding the birds. It's a little bit of bird feed right there, right here, right there, and right there. But we're good to go. Let's go. Walk up my feet over here. Let's go. So fam.
Did you feed the birds?
Yup, Purdue.
Do I have to put more water in your milk?
Well, that's it for this video. Just a little random video, so bye. Yeah.